Hear that thunder rolling? This is a nice turn of the events today. We had a beautiful sunny morning to start the day off. And now, which is typical here in our Florida state, we have rain. Whoa. That was a well, you heard the after effect. Big bolt of lightning and a big clap of thunder. This is outside my home. At least the car's getting washed. It needed it. It was dirty. Wow. Got some sound effects going on out here. Alright, that's the update right now at my home in Florida. Beach Cricket out. Bye.